Take a ride in the 2023 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.